So this is what we're shampooing her hair with today. It's called Kidz Gro. It's Naturals Essence Shampoo for healthy hair and scalp. We got this at the Circle of Sisters yesterday, which we are excited about. And I did not purchase their moisturizer. However, they gave us some comb through moisturizer that we're actually going to try out today. I'm going to do a blow dry and see how we actually like this product. And the shampoo was actually fabulous. I used it on her scalp, and they also give you like a little note here. I'm not sure if you can read it. It says, "Hey mom, is your child hair breaking due to relaxers, hot combs, or blow dryers? Or has your child's hair become, stringent and won't grow?" So they actually just let you know here that the products are 100% plant extract and natural herbal formulas, and the ingredients are here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'll actually post it on this video. And they basically have, jojoba oil, vitamin E's, ginseng root, and that sort of thing. And I love the product. I love the way it smells, and I love the way it feels on my daughter's hair. And again, today we did the shampoo, and we're going to use the moisturizer. So stay tuned. So I'm just going to rip open my sample pack here. There you go. And I'm going to apply it in my palm. Try to get all of it. I know I'm going to wish I brought the whole product, but let's see. It's okay because I can always order it online because they have a website, and I'll also post the website. I'm just going to apply it to sections of her hair. Oh, that little pack went a long way. Alright, feels really good. I don't normally blow dry her hair. I usually let it air dry. I don't really use blow dryers, but we're going to try it out and see how we like it. Okay. So we're going to put Duroshe Naturals to the test. And we are going to start blow drying